If you've watched my other videos, you'll know that Teams phone system is missing some features like SMS, call center, call recording, reception console, that type of thing, just to name a few. But did you know that there is a way for your company to still get all of those missing features and never leave the Teams app to make and receive phone calls? It's called a plugin, and I'm going to explain it on this video. But first, if you like my recommendation on the best cloud phone system vendors your company should be quoting that integrates with Microsoft Teams, or the best Teams phone system operator connect vendors to be quoting, reach out, send me an email, give me a call. I will help your company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to go to our website, aerocominc.com. It's a great place to start your search. You can search cloud phone system vendors by feature. You can also read customer reviews on them. You can read information on them. You can watch videos. It's a great place to kind of start your search and kind of get a feel of the marketplace. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and more than anything else, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video, what you liked, what you'd like to see on future videos. I'd love to hear from you. I'm always trying to make the videos better, so it really helps me make them better if you leave comments. What is a plugin for Microsoft Teams? Well, some Cloud PBX vendors have developed a way for them to put a plugin for their Cloud PBX application directly into Microsoft Teams. So what this really is, it's the ability to access, like for a user to access their Cloud PBX application through a web browser, and that web browser is in a plugin inside Teams. So what happens is if you open up Microsoft Teams, there's an icon on that left menu bar of Teams that is an icon for your Cloud PBX application, and you click on it and it opens up a web browser for that Cloud PBX application inside Microsoft Teams, and through single sign-on, they're already logged in. So within Microsoft Teams, they're able to make and receive phone calls without popping that third-party Cloud PBX app. So they're only in Microsoft Teams, they're only in the Teams app, and they can make and receive phone calls. They can do all the Cloud PBX features right there from within Microsoft Teams, never having to leave Teams, never having another app pop up. And so from a user perspective, you get all of the features that third-party Cloud PBX service provider offers, like things like, SMS, like we mentioned earlier, call recording, call center features, all the features that Teams phone might not have, but you're still living in Microsoft Teams. Now, one caveat that you might be thinking about is, well, what about instant messaging like chat and conferencing? Well, that third-party Cloud PBX service provider offers those, right? So that's going to get confusing for your users if they're inside Teams. They click on the Cloud PBX application and it pops up inside Teams, but there's an option to instant message in there and do conference calls. You're like, well, what about Teams instant messaging and Teams conferencing? Well, don't worry, you can disable those features with that third-party Cloud PBX provider. So your users will never see an option to do instant messaging or conferencing in that platform. They'll only have the option of doing that within Teams. That way nobody gets confused. And another advantage of doing this type of feature is that your users can make and receive calls inside Teams without ever leaving Teams, but you don't have to pay for Teams Phone Standard, which is the add-on license in Microsoft Teams to use Teams phone system. So if you watch any of my other videos, you'll know that if you want to use Teams phone system, having Teams be your phone system, one of the things you have to do is you have to pay $8 per month per user for Teams Phone Standard. That's a feature that enables like a dial pad within Teams and all the calling feature buttons in Teams. Well, since you're not using Teams for the phone system, you're using this third party, you don't need a dial pad in Teams. The third party has a dial pad for you. All those features and buttons and things are in the third party's app, so you don't have to pay the $8 per month per user for Teams Phone Standard. So that's a nice little add-on there. So your users get to use Teams to make and receive calls, but you're not having to pay $8 per month per user through your Microsoft licensing. Okay, so I hope that helped. Again, this is a way for you to get your users to be able to live within Teams, make and receive calls within Teams, but get some of those missing features that you might want, like call analytics, call recording, SMS, some of the things that Teams Phone is missing. So it's kind of a way to get the best of both worlds. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, do me a favor and reach out and contact me for a quote. Send me an email, give me a call. I'm a broker for all the major service providers out there. And if you want to know which Cloud PBX service providers have a good integration with Teams that can embed inside Teams, not all providers do that, only certain providers do. Reach out and contact me. I can tell you which providers do it, which have a great reputation for customer service and uptime, service quality, call quality, all that good stuff. Who's got a good reputation, who doesn't. I'll make sure you get introduced to the best salespeople at those service providers. I'll also make sure that you get the best pricing from the service provider of your choice. This is my job. I'm a broker. I've been doing this for over 20 years and I know the industry inside and out. I will help you make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time compared to you trying to Google it and search on your own. Doing it that way, you'll probably end up with the wrong vendor. So reach out, send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help. Also, don't forget to go to our website, aerocominc.com. Search providers on there. It's a good place to start your search. And as always, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. And more than anything else, leave a comment. I love that. All right, well, have a great day. Thanks for watching.